This is how I create my infinite zoom art. To be clear, this process is not automated. It is crafted by a human and only assisted by AI tools. First, I research a topic, gather the necessary information, and write an initial draft of my script. I then ask ChatGPT to proofread, correct, and enhance my writing to ensure it flows well. Once the script is finalized, I use Google Flow to generate the images I need. Next, I record my own voiceover reading the polished script. After completing the audio, I bring all the generated images into Canva to edit and align them, establishing the exact visual flow I want. From there, I arrange all the images onto a large canvas to manually create the seamless infinite zoom effect. Once the animation is fully polished on the canvas, I screen record the finished output. I then bring two main elements into CapCut, the screen recording and my voice recording. I start by editing the audio, applying effects to smooth out my accent and cutting out any pauses or silence. After that, I adjust the speed of the screen recording and trim any unnecessary parts so the visuals synchronize perfectly with the voiceover. Finally, I add subtitles, transition sound effects, and background music. As you can see, this is far from automated content. There is a real person behind every single step, manually editing and curating the final product. I am a small YouTuber, and here's the final result. Ever wondered how your favorite ice cream is made? First, they start with fresh milk and cream. Sugar is then added according to a carefully calculated formula, and everything is mixed together. Next, the mixture is refined and pasteurized to kill harmful bacteria and make it safe for consumption. It is then cooled and partially frozen until it reaches a thick, creamy consistency. Tiny air bubbles are incorporated into the mixture to give the ice cream its light and smooth texture. Flavors are then added and mixed in evenly. Once everything is ready, the ice cream is transferred to a filling machine, packed into containers, and frozen until it reaches the perfect consistency. Finally, it goes through the packaging stage and is prepared for delivery, ready to satisfy your ice cream cravings.